Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall WordPress from cPanel in Namecheap. But before that, I want to let you know that you can access my Namecheap course within my university for free. Inside this Namecheap course, you'll learn how to get started with Namecheap shared hosting, how to manage your website and email account, and also how to optimize your website performance inside Namecheap. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To join my university for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com. Link in the description. Without any further ado, let's see how to uninstall your WordPress from cPanel in Namecheap. Uninstalling WordPress from Namecheap cPanel is easy. The process starts with going to cPanel. Once inside cPanel, click on WordPress Manager. And now click on this arrow next to your WordPress site you want to uninstall. Now click on Uninstall. Make sure to check all of these options and head down and click on Remove Installation and confirm it like that. And as you can see, my WordPress is successfully uninstalled from Namecheap cPanel. If you learned something out of this video, make sure to give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you.